This is my 1995 or 1996 Simplicity Snowaway 7. It is a 22-inch dual-stage snowblower, and I actually really like the size of this thing because it's very maneuverable. As you can see, I got drift cutters on the front. Those are very handy. They help a lot when it comes to knocking down big, huge snow drifts. And I did repaint this thing at one point, but it's chipping again, and it's going to need to be painted again. This decal's getting a little worn off. That was one that I ordered when I repainted it, so it'll probably have to be replaced again. It's got a 7 horsepower Tecumseh Snow King engine. It's one of the dual shaft engines. It's got the main output shaft for the auger, and then the secondary counter rotating output shaft for the wheel drive. This engine does run great. I have to adjust the carburetor every now and again, but that's no big deal. It does burn a little bit of oil because it's got so many hours on it. This thing has been used heavily over the years. I did replace the carburetor recently because the original one, I couldn't get it to run right with that one, so I bought one of the cheap aftermarket ones, and it's been just fine. It's got electric start. Engine model number is HSK70, if I didn't say that already. Here's a tag. It is a 247cc engine. As you can see, the handle is kind of broken right now. What happened is this dashboard got a bunch of stress cracks in it from years of heavy use, and kind of ripped away on this side. So I've got a new dashboard coming. I ordered it a while ago, and I also ordered a new handle for this side because, as you can see, it's cracked down there. This one isn't that bad, so I'm just going to weld it, and I can't get this one anymore anyway. They only have this one in stock. I have to fix the ignition switch wire because right now you don't even need the key to get it to start. I want to get that fixed, and of course here's the throttle control. So this snowblower is definitely going to need some new skid shoes. Those were really thin when I put them back on, and they just completely rusted out. So it needs those. I did replace the scraper blade once, and it's still got some material left, but I'll have to replace that again soon, I'm sure, with the amount of use that this thing gets on it. I use this snowblower commercially, or at least I did up until it broke in either late January or early February. And that's why I had to get the Aaron's Deluxe 24 to replace it, because the parts were on back order and they still haven't gotten here yet. The company that I ordered them from finally got them in stock, but they haven't shipped yet. So it will be fixed. I'm not going to start it up in this video because I already ran all the gas out of it and siphoned the fuel out of the tank. I will insert a clip of it running, which I recorded a long time ago. Here we got the remote chute direction control, which it's not working right now because this is all bent up and it's binding. And to adjust the deflector angle, you just loosen loosen this fastener right here and move it up and down manually. So it's got a 5 forward speed transmission and a two reverse speed transmission. This is the auger control and this is the wheel drive control. So yeah, it needs work, but it has been an absolutely amazing snowblower over the years. We used it heavily for residential purposes, and when I got my hands on it, I started using it commercially, so it's been used a lot. So this has been a very reliable snowblower over the years. It has a lot of sentimental value to me, and I can't wait to get it fixed and be able to use it again, although I really don't want any more snow this year, but maybe next winter. It was used for residential purposes for most of its life, and once I got my hands on it, I started using it commercially, and I plan to continue using it commercially once I get that handle fixed. I won't use it as much anymore because now I got the newer errands, but I still like using this machine. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that'll just about do it for this. Thanks for watching.